Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add credits to a video. So let's assume you're making a movie and you want to add credits to the video producer, to the sound producer, other things. You're in the right place. Come to CapCut. So tap on a new project. So come to stock videos. So when you come to stock videos, look for a black screen. Quote me right, black. So this is a black screen here in the middle. Okay, so you add that one. So after adding it, come to text, add text. So I'll quickly paste in my credits. Okay, so those are my credits. So I'll reduce them in size just like that, keeping it in the right shape. Okay, just like that, just like that, just like that. Okay, so after that, you enlarge this to fit the whole video. So after enlarging it, you can basically remove this ending. Okay, so after that, come to the timeline of the text. Okay, so at the beginning here, add a keyframe from this one here. That's a keyframe. So when you add a keyframe, move this down like this. Okay, so after moving it down, you let it to play. So move it up to the last end. Then at the last end again, add another keyframe from here. So this time, move it up like that. Alright, so again, let it to play. So now let's play and see how it works. Okay, so as you can see, those are our credits being added. So to make it long, come and tap on this. Then make it a copy from here, make a copy. So when you make that copy, drag this copy to come after the first one. Okay, after the original one, just like that. Just like that, just right there. Okay, so now let's play our video again and see how our credits have been created. Okay, so as you can see, the credits have been created and they are all running, going up. Okay, so that's how to create credits for your videos at the end of any video. Okay, so thank you for watching guys. We shall meet in the next video.